Ryan here. Welcome to our outlook on forex and now even CFDs that I've included the poor man's way to the gateway of futures, commodities, and all that fun stuff in the major stock indices around the world. So we're going to look at this using MotiveWave, but first, if you are into these sort of things, come on over to the quantlabs.net/book. Get yourself some free books. This page will be changing the location of it. So be on the lookout for that if you don't sign up today, but it will still be available, just different URL. Okay, let's look at our forex here. Okay, so a few days ago, what I did was I put out alerts about these three pairs. Well, let's first look at the world of where everything's at, just to get an idea of what's doing okay. Okay, so Australia pairs. Australia apparently is down in the dumps because of the recent fires that they've had, the bushfires. Canadian, again, flat. You can see it. It's just going nowhere. Euro, actually, the alert I heard was that the Eurozone is pretty well a complete dead zone for entire of this year. USD pairs, again, it's just been absolutely flat. Why trade this stuff when you get cryptos? In my previous video, I'm gonna give you some nice returns. Don't make no sense to me, folks. That's the other reason why I'm moving into the world of stocks. I'm going to be talking about that in another video. Been really good progress there too. Okay, so we know Australia is doing not so good. Canada, not so good. Eurozone, not so good. USD pairs. Forgot to also look at British pound. Not great there. Absolutely useless. So all we have going on is sugar and maybe the UK bond and the Singapore. That's it. That's all you got. That's all you got to play with, folks. That's all you have. Not good. Okay, so but let's look at our latest calls that we did. There's nothing here that makes me want to go, ooh, I'm going to add that to my watch list. Well, I'll do a scan to see if anything, but nothing that really excites me. Okay, so going on over to what we had before, here's the pairs. Okay, here are the pairs. All right, so we have here Australia, New Zealand. Look at it, just come down. Goodbye. The daily, let's see, volatile. This is good for a mean reverting strategy, but there's no trends here, no uptrends. That's euro against the Australian dollar. That used to be pretty good until the fires came along. Anything with Australia was doing really well. USD Canada, let's look at the daily. Same, reverting. I see a slight decline. That might be related around the oil price. Not good. This one, XCU, is doing okay. What do you ask what XCU is? I believe it's copper. Let me just check. I'm just checking right now. Yeah, it's copper. So that's copper. Oddly enough, I don't know if it's a defense play, but when you see the price go up like this, that's a good sign. Okay, so it's reaching since April 2019 highs. So is there industrial going on? I can't say, but I will say that is a very, very good sign. That's the only winner we have right now. And as I said, the US Canadian dollar is going nowhere. So the only thing, I'll also look at sugar as well. I'll just add it for look at sugar's doing amazing. Okay. So are these defensive plays? I don't know. But the commodities right now, both sugar and XCU or copper is doing pretty good. So there you go. Now you know. Oh, I forgot to do Switzerland as well. Daily chart. This one they said was as strong as CHF. No, sorry. Okay, but what I'll do, I'll put this on the watch list and send out some signals for y'all. That's on XCU USD in copper. If you got any questions, let me know. Okay, so that's going to be available for my Quant Analytics members. And the other one we'll do is sugar. Okay, and then we'll save that analytical file. So again, I wouldn't trade this as a CFD, but if you have future contracts, for sure, these are worth looking at. Okay, so if there's any questions, let me know, and I'll gladly answer them. If not, I'll say bye for now. Let me know what you got. Any questions? I'm going to do an update video on the markets, stock markets, coming up. There's a huge interest in that because I just showed forex is dead, and CFD. These two commodities are doing quite well. So if you missed it, you can replay it. Let me think here. Anything else? Doesn't look like it. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Again, if you want those books, you know where to go. quantlabs.net/book. All right, so we shall talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day. Later.